Okay, amigas, amigos, let's unbox a little piece of heaven. See, the Breo Scalp3 massager. Just holding it and knowing it's gonna feel amazing. I can't wait. Let's unbox this beauty. A ver qué tal. So check this out. This is super interesting. It already gives me relaxing vibes. Check it out. It's already telling me I got this. So look at this, silicone knots. Check it out. It's giving me spa vibes at home. These are designed para que te den masajes. Yes, it'll give you a massage right at home on your scalp. Check that out. Mira nada más. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Slower. Check that out. Isn't that awesome? I love this. And I'm already like, ooh, let's try this. Ay, qué rico. This feels amazing. Oh man. Se siente delicioso. I love this. This feels awesome. It's like un mini shiatsu in tu cabeza. This is self-care to another level. You can use this dry or with shampoo. It's waterproof. So you can just bring it into the shower sin miedo. Yep, you don't have to worry about it. Wireless and compact. Perfect to travel with it. Fits right in your purse, in your luggage, anywhere you like. Easy to use on your vacation, massage, wherever, whenever you'd like. This is straight up giving your follicles some love. Self-care, your cuero cabelludo will thank you. You just charge it and you're ready to feel like you're at the spa at your home. Check this out. You can put some oil right there so it can massage into your scalp. Isn't that awesome? I just love it. This is like for sure going in my purse right next to my bed when I shower. Human-like massage, red light, lightweight, comfortable grip. Does the job. Mira nada más. It's relax time, mi gente. This Breo Scalp3 is waterproof, cordless, y perfecto for self-care. Add your favorite oil and let it do the magic. Order's yours today.